Say start with softcore, bro. Hardcore after you are flexible enough. So Control 9K, for your information, I used to be a gym boy at one time. I used to be a very active person at one point in life. You know, I used to play games. I used to play cricket
like
and
12
football and
packs
table
abs.
tennis
Yeah.
every day. I used to go to the gym. I had there was a like the one of the buildings we lived in had like a communal swimming pool which we all used to go to and swim. And I used to
Wait,
go.
is this in Meridian?
Yeah, it's in Meridian.
Ah, okay.
I used to go and swim laps for fun. Can you imagine
For
me?
fun.
So I'm used to hardcore from 5 years ago.
Yes.
10 years. Oh shit, it's
5
been
years
10
ago.
years.
Yeah.
No, it's been more than 10 years. Fuck.
But
Okay,
we're all kind of
Holy
used to
shit,
hardcore. I
Random
also
Look
did swimming.
what he said.
Bro, it's October 18, not April 1st. Why are you trying to lie that you will exercise? Hey, we're going to try exercising. That is the whole point of the challenge. Now,
Yes.
As
he's
much
good.
of a joke as it looks like, yes, we
You're
are
good.
actually trying it, yes.
and I've seen all those scenes. Control 9 cases. What do you mean? I've seen all those scenes. I also used to do hardcore weird shit that probably hurt my body more than it did help a long time ago, which made things
Like the
Lot worse.
CrossFit bullshit.
no, I basically didn't have access to arm weights and leg weights and all that, so I filled a bag with all the books that I could, and I used to hold this bag with like really heavy bag and walk around with it and do push-ups with it and all that. So
Yes, bro went hardcore.
yeah, I used to do all kinds of weird shit that probably broke my back or something. I don't know. Guys, don't do that
And
at
you also
home.
had a
I was just a
boxing- you
stupid
also had a
kid.
boxing bag,
Yeah, I also had a
right?
punching bag which I would randomly go
Yes.
punch without knowing how to punch and hurt my hand multiple times. Guys, don't do that either.
Yeah, it's good to say that don't take any advice or don't take anything what we're saying is just for us.
This is
to
not
fuck
medical
ourselves
advice.
Up. Yeah, don't listen
It's like
to
how
us.
many financial
But
YouTubers
yes,
say this is not financial advice, we are saying the same.
this is not any advice.
Hey, listen to
There's
me,
no
guys.
advice.
If you fill a bag with books and then do push-ups, it increases the potency of it by a lot.
Do not listen.
If you
But
run
yes,
with those
anyways,
bags, if you run with
continue.
arm weights and leg weights, sure, you might sprain your leg or break it, but it will help greatly.
This is Bruce speaking post reading Hippo, you see. This is like him.
No, I
the
used to
motivation
do
after
the
reading Hippo.
weight thing long before I even knew what Hippo was.
Well, let's face it, you got the motivation to do the weights thing and punching with weights
Yeah.
after reading Hippo.
No, that was only boxing, and that was after Joe, and then Hippo. But then the boxing bag I got because of Hippo. But otherwise, I used to do all this exercise before I even read Hippo. I only used to read Naruto, Bleach, and One Piece at that time. Actually, I didn't even know all those at that time. I found out about them later. Basically, I'm a Chad, or I would have been in an alternate universe, but I'm a weeb instead.
And Motaku says, I'm not even lying. I move the air because I'm a little fat. He basically just punches the
I
air.
realized.
That's what he's saying.
Well, that's basically what you're going to do for your weight loss challenge, Random Otaku. No, you're a kid.
Join
Don't do
us.
weight loss challenges. You don't need to do weight loss challenges as a kid, for Christ's sake. Just be a kid.
it's
Have
fine.
fun.
We are getting old and like we can see our health getting fucked, so we have to fix ourselves. That's all.
Hey, speak for yourself. I'm in perfect health.
Yes.
Sure,
Am I not?
you can take that as
The other
you
day,
can
only
take it how you-
remember when I was talking about chest pain, and Bruce like, wait, that's not normal. You don't have that
What?
every day.
I didn't say that.
I'm in perfect health.
It's just normal occurrences for me. Yes, said
I
Bruce.
said nothing of the sort. These are false lies.
But yes, Brew, continue.
Yeah, so we go hardcore, all or nothing.
I guess it's nothing.
By the end of the day, tomorrow I'll be holding my tits out in my hand like these after cutting them off.
Yes, apparently you will. Yeah.
It will barely last any weight.
So
then,
that
but
is
sure.
Bruce's plan to cut off his tits, I guess.
Yes. Hey, if people can pay doctors to put in tits, why can't I pay myself to cut them off?
Can you afford yourself?
Yes, I am very, very cheap, you see.
I see. Almost free.
Almost, yes.
Almost. But not
Almost.
free.
Not exactly free. Random Otaku says, no, I go for walks like every day and do breathing exercises. I also do some yoga and I practice singing and harmonium.
Pro.
Well,
Random
that's
Otaku
good.
is pro.
Shit, God damn.
Yeah, that's amazing.
You know so
Yeah,
much more we ever planned to do.
Hey,
So
Brew cycles every
even
day. Brew
even
also
our
does a lot of
viewers make
healthy
us feel bad,
activities.
huh? Hey, you see,
cycles
the thing is, I have a lot of these bad habits, but by default, I live a very healthy lifestyle because I live with my
Yeah.
parents and they live a completely
Vegan.
healthy
Yeah.
lifestyle, and just like there is no actual way for me to get too much cholesterol. I try to make sure I get
Try to.
cholesterol and diabetes, but